Morning, Indira Shah here. This is green chili grown in my garden. This is organic green chili. I'm going to make green chili tokku. Tokku is nothing but chutney. But trust me, this will be very, very, very tasty. This can go well with anything, I can say. Dosa, idli, chapatis, with rice, with curd rice, with anything. So what you need is here. Wash and remove the skin of the green chili. This is around 100 grams. Okay. And then you need urad dal, about 2 spoons urad dal, and then half a spoon mustard, and about this much, as big as a lime, a small lime, tamarind, and then jaggery you need, and then this is till, that is gingerly, that's about 1 spoon, and a few methi seeds. Okay, then salt, and this is asafoetida. Now what you should do is just add 2 to 3 2 spoons of gingerly oil. Okay, now you have to fry the green chilies. Here you have to fry the green chili. Okay, so let us fry for about 10 minutes till the color of the skin changes to light brown. Okay, can you see the color getting changed here? Okay, you have to fry till all the chilies change their color. See, now almost all the chilies have changed their color, and I'm getting a very good aroma of the green chili. Let me just put off the stove and 1 minute. Now pour this in a plate because it should get cool. And in the meantime, now I have added a spoon of oil. Now add the urad dal and fry till, you have to fry this till pink, and you will get the aroma also. When it is half fried you can add the other ingredients. I'll show you. Okay, let it get a light pink color. It's becoming light pink. Now add the gingerly and then methi seeds, and add the mustard seed. Now add the tamarind also and fry for some more time. If you do not want to add tamarind, you can always add lime juice, but then tamarind gives a perfect taste. Trust me, this will be very, very tasty. You have to try this. For trying this, you have to subscribe my channel and then press the bell button, because you will get the notification. See, now I will put off the stove because it's crackling. See, now I will add it to the green chili. So let it cool. Once it cools, we have to grind it with the other ingredients. I'll show you. I'll come back to you. So now let me grind all these. Here I've added all the fried ingredients. Now let me add the jaggery, and then the asafoetida, and then the required salt. Now grind it to a fine paste without adding water. Now this has been grounded. Now I'll tell you what is to be done next. Now add 2 to 3 spoons of gingerly oil, and add a spoon of mustard, and add a pinch of haldi, that is turmeric. Turmeric is very good for health. So once this splutters, add the fried green chili paste. That is green chili tokku is being fried now. it's nothing but garnishing. Mustard splatters, add this chutney. Okay, you need to fry for about 5 minutes. Immediately after preparing this, you will feel very pungent, very hot. So after preparing it, keep it in the fridge or outside for about 2 to 3 days, and then you can eat, because it should get well mixed with the other ingredients. If you want, you can add more oil. Here, I have fried it for about 5 minutes. Now, if you want, you can add more oil, okay? So, I'll put it in a container and show you. Here, the green chili tokku or the chutney, whatever you call it, is done. This will be very tasty, but don't eat immediately after preparing, because you may feel that severe pungent taste. So just keep it for 1 or 2 days and then you can have it. This will be very tasty. This can go with anything. You can mix it with rice, with curd rice, with any rice, or with idli, dosa, roti, anything. Please prepare this and get back to me. This chili seems to be pungent. So thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and press the like button and the bell button for more notification. Thank you very much. This is Indira with Vela. Bye bye.